Welcome to another video tutorial by Fluvid. In this video, we will learn how to use the crop and the trim feature that comes in the video editing options inside the Fluvid dashboard. So to use these features, we need to log in inside the Fluvid's dashboard. So let's go. So now we have logged in inside the Fluvid's dashboard. Now these are the videos created using the Fluvid's Chrome extension. So let's use this video to explore the features. So let's open it. Now on the right hand side, this option is coming up, Tools. Now the first option is Crop. So let's click on this. Now there is a pop-up coming up. It's showing select the duration you would like to keep from the recorded video and everything else will be removed. Now this means that the part that we select, that will remain, and the part that is not selected, that will be cropped. Now to get a better idea, let's do it live. So let's close it first and then click on crop option. Now this is the video. Now the markers, so I can move these markers. Now just to understand that this particular part, whatever the selected part is, let me pause it. Yeah. Now this particular part, the part that comes between the marker, the highlighted part, this part will stay, and the part that is not selected, this will be deleted, or we can say cropped. So let's say this video, I'll just move it here and I'll just pause it, and I want it till, yeah, I just want 3 minutes of the video, and this remaining part will be deleted or cropped. So let's click here. Well, there are two options coming up now. We can undo the changes. It means all this part will be undone, whatever you have done till now. And second option is publish changes. Now let's click here. Let's go ahead. Now, very important part, two options. One is update existing and second is create new. Update existing will override original video. And the second option, this particular option, what I suggest, use this one, create a new. It means after cropping the video, it will create a brand new video. So in case you make a mistake, again, you have got a chance to correct it. Simple. So let's click on create new. It will take some time. So you can see it's over here, it's coming crop. This is the title. You can change it accordingly. And this is a new video and the duration is 3 minutes. Now let us go back into the video section. So you can see there are two videos now. Now let's explore the trim feature. So let's open it again. The same video we are using. Now last is the trim feature. So let's open this. Now select the unwanted duration from the recorded video and click on trim. It will be removed. Now it means the part that you select, this will be trimmed or deleted, and the part that you haven't selected will stay. So let's close this option and go ahead with trim. So these are the markers. Now suppose I want this particular part, this part to be deleted. So again, the part that is coming between the markers, this will be trimmed or deleted, and the remaining part, this will stay. So let's click on trim. Again, we have an option to undo it, and second option is publish changes. So are you sure you want to publish changes? Again, the same option. This option, update existing, will override original video, and the same thing, will create a new video. Again, I'm saying if we commit a mistake, again we have a chance to correct it, to rectify it. So create new. It will take some time. So this is the title trim, and I can change it accordingly. And the video, let us check so that you can check the duration. It is 3 minutes 53 seconds. So let's go back to the video section. So now you can see, amazing, the trimmed video, the cropped video, and the original video. So this is how we use the crop and the trim feature. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.